What's the difference between stuff and things? Both stuff and things can be used to talk about items or objects. Sometimes these are your possessions or belongings, things that you own. You can tell your children, it's time to go to school. Make sure that you have all your things. Or you can tell them, make sure that you have all your stuff. In that example, when we say stuff or things, we probably mean their books, pens, pencils, etc. Everything that they take to school. The main difference between stuff and things is just that stuff is an uncountable noun, whereas things is a countable noun. So you can have one thing, two things, a few things, some things, or many things. But for stuff, we say stuff, a little bit of stuff, some stuff, or a lot of stuff. Because stuff is uncountable, you never add s. You never say stuffs. Actually, stuffs is a word, but it's a very uncommon word, and you are probably never going to need to use it. So yeah, things are countable and stuff is uncountable. Maybe you return from the toilet and your phone, your glasses, and your bag are all gone. You might ask, where are my things? Or, where is my stuff? We also use things and stuff when we don't know what something is. What is that thing? What's that black stuff on your shoe? He has a thing that he uses to fix his car. She put some green stuff in her smoothie. We also use things and stuff to talk about points, ideas, or topics. If your boss wants to speak with you about a mistake that you made, as well as a new project that they want to give you, they might say, there are two things that I want to speak with you about. And they could also say, there is some stuff that I want to speak with you about. However, it's more likely that your boss would say two things than some stuff, because two things is more clear and more specific, and we always want to be clear and specific when communicating at work. And two, the word stuff often sounds more informal than things. And because thing is countable and more specific, whereas stuff is uncountable and less specific, if we only have one idea, one topic, or one point, we're probably going to use thing. Here are some examples. There's one thing that I don't understand. That's not a nice thing to say. This is the most exciting thing that I have ever done. Tell me one thing that you learned at school today. What's the next thing that we need to do? And again, if we aren't focusing on one specific thing, we can use stuff. Let's do the easy stuff first. We talked about a lot of stuff. I've got a lot of stuff to do today. How do you know this stuff? So yeah, those are the main ways that we use things and stuff. I hope you learned a few things today. Thank you for watching.